Author Project Part A, the paper. So in this little video, I'm going to tell you about the intro paragraph, thesis statements, what you can put in your body paragraphs, and some ideas for your ending. Okay, if you're struggling with the introductory paragraph, here are some things that you should put into that introductory paragraph. First off, you need to introduce your book. Give me your title, the author, and 3 to 4 sentences on just simple things about what your book is about. Don't get too much into detail that way. Next, you want to introduce your theme. Introduce your theme in a general way. Don't go into how your theme fits your book quite yet. You will do that in your body paragraphs. And of course, your thesis statement. Remember, we worked on these in class. That was your theme plus the little statement about that. And that went into your thesis statement. Put this at the end of your paragraph. An example of a theme, or an example of a thesis statement is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, the theme of defending one's inner strength is shown through the characters Ralph, Piggy, and the conch. So remember, Lord of the Flies, that's your subject. The theme of defending one's inner strength, remember, that is your argument. Shown through the characters Ralph, Piggy, and the conch symbol, that is your roadmap. You need all 3 of these in order to have a good thesis statement. Okay, now that you have a good thesis statement, you need to think about your body paragraphs. So an easy way to do this is to take parts of your thesis statement. So I'm going to look at Ralph for this paragraph. So remember, you need to have a good topic sentence, and if you're going to pull Ralph from your thesis statement, that should be your first topic sentence. So an example is, Ralph shows his inner strength at meetings. So after you've written that, then you need to explain how he shows his strength. Give me details from the book. This is where you can use a quote. Explain that a little bit, and then offer up a transition at the end. I would then make Piggy all about my second body paragraph. So again, mix it up. Don't make your topic sentences all sound the same. So I wrote, Piggy finds his inner strength at the end when his glasses are stolen. Again, you have to explain it, find your details from the book, and then at the end of that paragraph, give me a transition to the next paragraph. I'm not going to go into the third body paragraph, but it should follow the same formula. So your third body paragraph would be all about the conch symbol. Alright, your conclusion. So what do you put in your conclusion? First off, restate your thesis. Don't just cut and paste and put it in there and call that restating it. You need to reword it again. So also with the conclusion, you can answer some of the questions that were in the original assignment. So you could ask, what did you learn? Talk about what you learned in the book. Or you could write about why someone should read this book. And that would fit nicely into a conclusion. Remember, spend just as many minutes or hours, or not hours, but just spend as much time on your conclusion as you do your introduction. Alright, remember, if you have any questions, please email me or ask a question under the assignment sheet.